Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday and our last circle time until that is the afternoon when we have circle time together. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm so glad you could join me for our last circle time. We're looking at the calendar and it is June 16th. Let's go ahead. Whoops, I moved the wrong thing. Let's go ahead and put the 16 up there by this star. 1 week from Trent's birthday and then Wancho's. Let's take a look at our pattern. It's AABV, so it's sandcastle, sandcastle, sun, sun, sandcastle, sandcastle, sun, sun, sandcastle. What's going to be next? A sandcastle. That's exactly right. Put it right here, a sandcastle for our last circle time and story time today. So let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week today is. Are we ready? Here we go. Let me hear ya. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. Louder. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020. It is our last circle and story time today. So glad you could join me. We said it was going to be sunny today, and it's not quite sunny, at least not yet. It is sunny with clouds again today. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Do you think it's going to be sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? Well, we know it's too warm to snow, so what else? Someone said rainy. I'm going to go ahead and put that in our prediction square for tomorrow. Let's say the alphabet. Everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count all the way to 15. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in. Out. Deep breath in. Out. All right, here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Moving on. Let's count backwards from 10 and launch that rocket ship. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Final blast off. All right, so let's take a look at these shapes. We have a heart, circle, diamond, rectangle, and a square. Let's watch our shape song. Here we go. Are flat shapes and solid shapes all the time. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Here we go. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. What is it? Oh, missed it. All right. Let's move on. Looking at our colors. All right. What are our elephants? Gray. And how about Celia Wheelia? Purple. The Oreo. Black. Anger. Red. What color is discussed? Green. Our school bus. Yellow. Yummy chocolate. Brown. Sadness. Blue. Fishes. Orange. Triangle. White. And we have our My Little Pony. Pink. All right, let's sing our Down by the Bay nursery rhyme. Are we ready? Here we go. Let's pull that up.
Down by the Bay, from the CD download, Nursery Rhymes by the Learning Station. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a duck driving a truck? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a goat cruising on a boat? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a mouse building a house? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a frog dancing on a log? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a bee sipping iced tea? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a fox putting on socks? Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay. Question time. What was your favorite rhyme? Was it the duck, the goat, the mouse, the frog, the bee, or the fox? Please let us know in the comments.
All right, I like the bee. The bee was my favorite. All right, our letters L, F, E, H. We practiced yesterday. We're going to go ahead and practice T, I, U, C, O, and Q today. Are you ready? Lots of practice. Let's start with seeing where we start our letters, because that is super important. Going down. Way down. Reach out and touch the bottom. My rooster's singing along.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start to let it
Do you stretch your letters at the top?
Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Here we go. No, it's the bottom. It's the middle. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started with our letters. Remember, we're starting off with the letter T today. So T, we need to have our star in the middle because it's a center starter. We grab a big line down. A little line across the top. Get away from me, you big curve. There we go. Now we make an I. We add a little line at the bottom. Good job. Now we're on to, what's the next one? Let's say U. The letter U. The letter U is just right here. Remember, for letter U, we say big line down, turn, big line up. It's not a letter that we build. It's one of the ones that we would just trace. And now we have that oh so special letter everyone loves. It's the magic C. Magic C that was trying to get over here before. Magic C is here. The magic C, we get to sing the song. Is everybody ready to sing the song? All right, here we go. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. Now we're going to make the letter O. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Awesome. And now put a little slide in to make the letter Q. That's right. Great job, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today for our last circle time. It is also our last story day. I will see you later today to have our meal or snack, whatever you're going to have. I can't wait to see everybody. Bye.